Good evening and welcome to the annual Title I meeting. I am Stephanie Lee, the principal here at Eddie and Debbie Peach Elementary. Like the No Child Left Behind Act, Every Student Succeed is a reauthorization of the 1965 Elementary and Secondary Education Act, which requires each Title I school to hold an annual meeting for parents. The purpose of today's meeting is to inform parents of the school's participation in Title I, explain the legal requirements of Title I, and explain to parents their rights to be involved. During today's presentation, we will discuss Title I funds and programs, Title I eligibility, parent rights under Title I, parent involvement policy, and the Homeschool Compact. The goal of this presentation is to ensure that parents understand the Title I program here at Peach Elementary. Title I is a federal program that provides supplemental funding to schools with high numbers of children from low-income families to ensure that all children, no matter their backgrounds, meet challenging state academic standards. The Every Student Succeed Act is different than the No Child Left Behind Act in that states have greater autonomy to select academic and non-academic indicators for accountability. States are pretty much on their own to set school performance goals. However, the ESSA, Every Student Succeed Act, does not include federal requirements for teacher evaluation. Our school qualifies for Title I funds because our free and reduced lunch rate is 84%. This means that 84% of our students qualify for free and reduced lunch. In Arlington ISD, there are 48 campuses that receive Title I funds based on the percentage of students who receive free and reduced lunch. This means over 30,000 students will benefit from Title I funds in AISD. Our campus is a school-wide Title I program, which means that all students on our campus are eligible to receive Title I funded services and programs, even if they don't qualify for free or reduced lunch. Our goal is for all students on our campus to be proficient and to provide opportunities for all parents to be involved. 3 required elements of a school-wide program include conducting a comprehensive needs assessment to identify the strengths and growth areas for a campus, preparing a comprehensive school-wide plan as a result of the comprehensive needs assessment, and evaluating and monitoring progress of the school-wide comprehensive plan. Title I funds are used to supplement, which means to provide things above and beyond everything that all AISD schools receive from the district. Title I funds may not be used to replace any funds or programs the district already provides to all schools. Title I funds are used to identify students experiencing academic difficulties and providing timely assistance in the form of intervention or tutoring during the day to help students meet content standards. Purchase supplemental resources and materials, conduct parent engagement, trainings and workshops, and recruiting and retaining highly qualified teachers to meet the needs of all of our students. In Title I schools, you will see the annual Title I meeting, which is being held right now, school parent compacts, two-way communication between teachers and families, parent and family workshops, end-of-year surveys, parent conferences, and information in languages families are able to understand. Title I funds are allocated to interventionist and academic support personnel to meet the needs of our students, tutoring during the day for our struggling students, training and professional development for teachers, reading materials, supplies for students, and refreshments for after-school programs or parent meetings. All Title I campuses hold meetings for parents to provide information on academics, curriculum, and state assessments. These meetings will also discuss strategies to help support your child's learning at home. Some of the meetings that we will hold this year include academic nights, curriculum and family events, and events to help build capacity amongst parents, students, and the school. Parent and family engagement means the participation of parents in regular two-way and meaningful communication involving student academic learning and other school activities. Each school district that receives Title I funds shall develop with parents and family members a written parent and family engagement policy. The policy should include the district's plan and establish the agency's expectations and objectives for meaningful parent and family involvement. The policy must also describe how the district will engage parents in the district plan, provide coordination and assistance to schools for parent engagement, build parent and school capacity, evaluate the policy, and involve parents in the Title I school activities. Each Title I school should also jointly develop and distribute to parents and family members a written parent and family engagement policy that shall meet the following requirements: be developed jointly with and improved by parents, be distributed to parents in a language they understand, and describe how school will meet parent involvement requirements. This policy is also updated annually. The School Parent Compact is a written agreement between parents and teachers and outlines what families and schools can do to help children reach high academic standards. This compact is also developed jointly with parents and teachers. All Title I parents must be given the opportunity to contribute to the development of the School Parent Compact. Parent input is vital to developing this compact and should be reflective of the school and community. This year, we are happy to share that Peach met all academic standards as determined by STAR and academic test scores. And we will continue to work hard to meet the needs of our students so that we can continue to meet the standard as a school. Opportunities to get involved at our campus include Title I Family Engagement Team, volunteering in the classrooms, being a member of the site-based decision-making team, attending all family events, and for our dads, participating in our Dads Outreach program and activities. District engagement opportunities include Parent University, district committees such as the Student Health Advisory Committee, Textbooks Committee, District Instructional Decision-Making Team, and Bond Oversight Committee. The district also conducts a family literacy program each year, which is held at Knox Elementary. The purpose of this program is to strengthen adult literacy, enhance child development, prepare children for educational success, improve parenting skills, and improve opportunities for entering into junior high and high school. If you are interested in participating in the Family Literacy Program, you can contact the Family Literacy Program at 682-867-7267. If you have any additional questions regarding the Title I program at Peach or the district-wide Title I program, please reach out to the school and contact Sylvia Gonzalez, our Family Engagement Liaison, at 682-867-6100. Enjoy the rest of tonight's parent information session. Have a good evening.